Welcome to a world of beautiful spaces and stylish living. In this video, we're sharing the best interior design ideas for your home, plus the latest decor tips and color trends to transform your space into something truly stunning. Whether you're redecorating a room or refreshing your entire home, get ready to be inspired by timeless styles, smart design hacks, and must-try color palettes. Living room inspiration. The living room is the heart of the home, and it deserves a look you love. Try a neutral base with pops of color through pillows, rugs, or art. Add texture with woven baskets, cozy throws, and layered lighting. Don't forget to create a focal point. This could be a statement sofa, an eye-catching coffee table, or a beautifully styled fireplace. Want a trendier vibe? Try earthy tones like terracotta and olive green, or lean into bold color blocking with navy, emerald, or mustard. Dining area and kitchen design. Keep your dining space inviting yet functional. A round wooden table, upholstered chairs, and a statement light fixture can instantly elevate the room. In the kitchen, open shelving, matte finishes, and brass hardware are all on trend. For color, consider classic white and gray combinations, or go bold with deep green or navy blue cabinets paired with gold accents. Bedroom style tips. Your bedroom should feel like a retreat. Soft textures, ambient lighting, and a calming color scheme can make all the difference. Stick with relaxing hues like sage green, soft taupe, dusty pink, or warm beige. Add character with an upholstered headboard, layered bedding, and bedside decor. Mirrors, minimal furniture, and warm lighting will help create a cozy and luxurious atmosphere. Home decor trends and colors. Now, let's talk trends. Some of the top home decor and color ideas include heavy checkmark natural materials, think wood, rattan, linen, and stone. Heavy checkmark warm neutrals, like camel, oat, cream, and clay. Heavy checkmark curved furniture, softer lines and rounded edges for a cozy, modern look. Heavy checkmark biophilic design, incorporating plants and natural light for a calming feel. Heavy checkmark accent walls, using bold paint or wallpaper to add personality. We hope these beautiful interior design ideas and trending decor tips inspired you to create a home you love. Which idea or color trend are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating! Personal touches and final details. Make your space feel truly yours with meaningful details. Heavy checkmark display personal artwork or travel finds. Heavy checkmark mix old and new, combine vintage pieces with modern styles. Heavy checkmark add life with indoor plants, books, and soft lighting. Remember, design is about how a space makes you feel. So go with what brings you joy, comfort, and beauty. Stylish bathroom decor. Upgrade your bathroom with clean lines, modern finishes, and smart storage. Try floating vanities, circular mirrors, and wall sconces for a chic, spa-like vibe. Want to make a statement? Use patterned tiles on the floor or in the shower, or add a bold color like navy or charcoal to your walls.